Maori ora whānau, peace out. How are you all? Te tūmanako kei te pai. I hope you're all well in your kāinga or your wāhi, wherever you are. I hope this little clip finds you well. I'm just here quickly to talk to you about what I've called Kanohi-2-Kanohi face-to-face online Reo classes. Simple as Poutuarongo, titiro, kōrero. That is the way of our old people. That is why it's called Te Reo Māori, the spoken language. Hey, if you think there's something we can do together, yeah, give me a shout out down below in the comments. Kanohi-2-Kanohi, and let's catch up. I'll contact you, have a little kōrero. I'm looking at using the platform called Zoom. Apparently it's got good connectivity. I've downloaded one to my phone here and to our PC. What that tells me is, and I've been trialling it out with Whänau, we can have Reo classes wherever you are. Probably not at work because you should be working, but in your car, wherever, down to your phone. As long as I've got everything here and you've got a visual there and a kanohi ki te kanohi, we can have a kōrero, we can have a wānanga, a period of time where we can work together. So something to think about. I said I'll keep it short, so I better. But here's a little song about that, about the personal pronouns au, koe, ia, or tāku, tāu, tāna, or māku, mau, mana. And this one here is about the last one, māku. Māku, koe, e awhi. Perhaps I can help you, perhaps not. Perhaps you can help me, actually. We'll be helping each other. Ki te ara tipu, to a path of growth. And supporting each other to kōrero ki o tātou reo rangatira. Nō reira, better hurry up before it gets too long. Māku pia, māku pia, māku koe e awhi e, ki te ara tupu, māku koe e awhi e. E rongo whakairia ki runga ki a tīna, haumi e, hui e, taiki e. Give us a shout out. Maori ora. So whānau, if you could do a couple of things for me, please. I'll pop my email address here for you. Please send me your email, send a link straight to mine, okay? Secondly, have a look at jumping on Zoom. You're not going to get anywhere till we do that. I'll pop it on the bottom. And last of all, please go to our page and like our page. It's going to help me get things done. Thank you.